we got a One Piece XXRAY blind box. They're so cool. I've always seen these around but never had one. They're like half skeleton, like they're half dead. Or really it's half, well, X-ray, I guess, like see the insides of them, you know? So here's who you could pull. We got Zoro, Luffy, Frankie, Robin, Usopp, Jinbei, and the mystery rare one, which I think is Gear 5 Luffy. That's my guess. Not sure, but where's my boy Sanji? And where's Nami? The hell? I'm a little disappointed in that. Is there another series with them in it? We missing anyone? Freaking Chopper! Chopper! Where the hell is Chopper? Who are we missing? Brook? He's a skeleton! They could have made him half alive and half dead. See, that would have been perfect for this. Guys, you didn't think this through. Come on. Come on, XXRAY. XXRAY. Get your stuff together. Okay, maybe they exist. I don't know. I didn't look much into them. But let's get into it, guys. Really like the Frankie one. I like his smile. I think he's really cool. But Robin's so cute too. This is too tough. Alright, I'm gonna stick with Frankie. Frankie is my number one. Robin, close second. Here we go. Here we go. Oh, I made out so good with some presents this year. This is so great! Ooh, everything's falling. Okay, here we go. Oh, it's kind of big. It's like this big. That's pretty big. Okay. We got Luffy. Okay. This is weird. I didn't really want to see their insides. It's got their organs. I thought it was just a skeleton. You could see his organs. Look at that. To add to my millions of Luffys that I own. Well, not millions, but a lot of Luffy. He's so cool. The Egghead arc is so fun. I love the costumes. The little card, you know, I guess to make it official. And it came with, I believe, a stand for him, so he'll stand up. Yep. We stick his feet on here. But it doesn't even have feet. It's just clouds. I don't know why we even need this, to be honest, but I guess it adds effect. Looks cool. Yeah. Like a piece of the ship or something. I guess that's what it's supposed to be. Yeah. So cool. Alright guys, don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe. Bye!